Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the can't create Apple ID at this time error. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to check your internet. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure the signal is strong. And if you're on mobile data, make sure you have enough data available. Unstable internet can stop your Apple ID from being created. After that, you have to make sure all of your details you entered are correct, including your mobile number, email address, and home address. Even a small mistake can cause this error. Also, sometimes Apple servers are down and that causes the problem. So, open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for Apple System Status. Look for Apple ID on the list and if it says unavailable or maintenance, then just wait and try again later. And if you're having trouble on your iPhone or iPad, you can simply go to your computer and then visit appleid.apple.com. From there, try creating your Apple ID again. If that does not work, do the opposite. Try creating the Apple ID through iPhone setting instead. And that's it. One of these methods should help you fix the Apple ID creation error. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.